Ẹ kú dédé ìwòyí o. Èmi ni Olúṣẹ́gun Ìdòwú, your Yoruba teacher. In our last lesson, I taught you how to say what you have and how to say what you don't have in Yoruba. Today, I'll be teaching you how to number, how to count objects in Yoruba. You'll be able to quantify objects in Yoruba. So at the end of this lesson, you'll be able to count from 1 to 5 in Yoruba. You'll be able to say what 1 is called, what 2 is called, up to 5. You'll be able to name 7 objects in Yoruba, and you'll be able to number the objects up to 5 in Yoruba. Let's start. 1 is ẹyọkan. When you are counting objects, 1 is ẹyọkan, 2 is méjì, 3 is mẹ́ta, 4 is mẹ́rin, while 5 is márùn-ún. Remember in our last lesson, I told you that plate is abọ́, shoe is bàtà, house is ilé, broom is ìgbálẹ̀. Today, let me add about 3 to it. Father is bàbá, mother is màmá, and friend is ọ̀rẹ́. Now, when you are numbering object, the rule is the name of the object you are numbering comes before the number. E.g., 1 house. 1 is ẹyọkan, but while speaking, you silence ẹyọ and you sound kan. So we hear ilé kan. House is ilé. 1 is kan or ẹyọkan. Ilé kan, 1 house. 2 spoons. Ṣíbí is spoon. So ṣíbí méjì. Ṣíbí is spoon, méjì is 2. And the name of the object comes before the number, the name of the number. So we have 2 spoons. Ṣíbí méjì. Friend. 1 friend. Ọ̀rẹ́ kan. If you have 2 friends, ọ̀rẹ́ méjì. 3 books. Book is ìwé, 3 is mẹ́ta. 3 books, ìwé mẹ́ta. 4 friends, ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́rin. If you are lucky enough to have 5 houses, ilé márùn-ún, just the way you have 1 father, bàbá kan, 1 mother, màmá kan. Maybe 3 friends, ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́ta, or ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́rin, 4 friends, ọ̀rẹ́ márùn-ún, 5 friends. Those of you who have many friends, many people have more than 10. In our next lesson, I will teach you how to say 10 friends. But today, 5 friends is ọ̀rẹ́ márùn-ún. You have 3 books, ìwé mẹ́ta. So let me use book to count from 1 to 5. Ìwé kan, ìwé méjì, ìwé mẹ́ta, ìwé mẹ́rin, ìwé márùn-ún. That's 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, 5 books. Now, next lesson we move on. Please share and subscribe. Also remember to like so that the video can reach many more people. If you keep following, you will speak good Yoruba in a very short time. Ẹ ṣé o, ó dàbọ̀.